In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a picture to the back in PowerPoint. This skill is particularly handy when you want to layer elements in your presentations, creating a more engaging and visually appealing slide. So whether you're a student preparing a project or a professional crafting a presentation, this simple yet effective trick can help make your slides look polished and sophisticated. First things first, let's get started by opening PowerPoint on your computer. You might have the software installed locally or be using it through the Office 365 suite online. Either way works just fine. Once PowerPoint is open, you'll want to locate the presentation that you need to work on. This might be a file saved on your computer, or perhaps it's stored in a cloud service like OneDrive or Google Drive. Navigate to your file and open up your presentation. If you haven't already inserted an image, make sure to do so now by going to the Insert tab and then selecting Pictures. Once your image is inserted, you'll likely notice that it appears on top of any text or other elements on your slide. Now let's say the situation calls for this image to be in the background. Your next step is crucial for achieving that layered effect. Simply locate the image that you want to move. Once you've selected your image, right-click on it. This action will open a context menu that has various options for editing and arranging your image. Right-clicking might feel a little awkward at first, but it's a great way to access a host of options quickly. Now within this menu, you'll notice an option that says Send to Back. This is the feature we need to focus on. Click on Send to Back and you'll see the magic happen as your image shifts behind the other elements on your slide. This essentially reorganizes the layer order of objects on this slide, putting your selected image behind everything else. Keep in mind that if you have multiple items you want to layer, you can continue rearranging them using similar right-click features like Bring to Front if necessary. It's really as simple as that. But let me give you a quick tip. If you want even more control over the layering of objects, you can explore the Arrange options on the ribbon under the Format tab, which appears when an image is selected. This gives you even greater detail over ordering multiple objects. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to send a picture to the back in PowerPoint. Now that you have mastered this feature, get creative and use layering to design eye-catching and dynamic slides that stand out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on enhancing your digital skills.